Are you still wasting time on repetitive code? Let AI do it for you. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple coding tasks that you can automate in seconds. I'll also show you how to get started with each of them. So why should you automate simple tasks? As developers, we spend a lot of our time on repetitive tasks, which can be both frustrating and exhausting. By automating these tasks, we can free up our time and mental energy to focus on more important and enjoyable aspects of software development. It's not about making our lives easier, it's about making our lives better. Here are some examples of boring tasks that every developer hates doing. Writing boilerplate code, renaming variables across multiple files, generating repetitive HTML or CSS, and writing unit tests for a basic function. These are just a few examples of the many tasks that can be automated with AI. Let me show you 2 to 3 quick demos. First, boilerplate code generation. If you want to create a CRUD API or a form in React, you know that there's a lot of boilerplate code involved. With Copilot or ChatGPT, you can generate this code in seconds. Instead of typing out every root or form field, just describe it to the AI and it will generate the code for you. Yes, it's that simple. Second, refactoring. AI can help you refactor your code and rename functions, extract code to components, or clean up your logic. Let it handle the repetitive refactors so you don't lose focus on the bigger picture. And third, test case generation. You can ask ChatGPT to generate test cases for a function that you wrote. It will generate a variety of test cases for you, which you can then run in your test runner. Fast, accurate, and saves you from the tedious setup. These are just a few examples of how AI can help you automate your boring code. With AI, you can focus on the more important and enjoyable aspects of software development. There are many tools available to help you automate your code. For example, GitHub Copilot can provide suggestions for code completions right in your editor. ChatGPT or GPT-4 can generate code and help you refactor your code. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that can help you write code faster and with fewer errors. AI is not going to replace you as a developer, but it will take the boring stuff off your plate so you can focus on building awesome things. Start by automating just one task today. It's easier than you think. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more AI coding tips.